In this video, we are going to talk about if else statement. So sometimes the programmer has to test multiple conditions and execute some statements depending on their conditions. So if else statement is useful in such situations, which means that when we want to test more than two conditions, then we use a if else statements. So let's take example to understand the if else statement. So initially I'm going to declare some variable which is x equal to 13 and y equal to 23. Here we have two variable which is x and y, and after that I'm going to declare a if condition first. So if x is greater than y, then it will print some statement which is print x is greater than y, and after that elif x less than y, then it will print x is less than y, and at last we have a else statement. It will print false. So here we have three conditions, which is if x is greater than y, then it will print x is greater than y, and if x is less than y, then it will print x is less than y, and at last it will print false. So here we have two variable which is x equal to 13 and y equal to 23, which means that y is greater than x. So here we run this module. Here we get the result x is less than y, which means that the second statement is executed. So here the first condition says if x is greater than y, then it will print this statement. After that, if this condition is not satisfied, then it will goes to the next statement, which is elif statements. So inside the elif statement we have a condition which is x less than y, then it will print a line of code which is a print statement, and inside the print statement we have a string which is x is less than y, and when the both condition is not satisfied, then it will goes to the else condition, and after that it will print a false statement. So here if I write x equal to 13 here, we get the result false, because these two conditions are not satisfied in this variables. So elif statement is used when we want to check the more than two condition. That's all about the if, elif and the else statement.